In this video, I will answer a question that I get almost every day about my E55, and that is, what is my wheel setup? The wheels that I have are from a 2007 SL550, which has the AMG Sport package. These wheels are wider and have a more aggressive offset compared to the stock wheels. They retain the same design that the stock wheels have, but they have a nicer, more dark finish to them. These wheels go great with lower suspension, such as my car has, as it has the Airmatic lowering links. With these wheels' factory 255 front and 285 rear setup, they fit perfectly on the E55 without having to roll fenders or anything like that. Just watch the front wheels on potholes or bumps while turning, otherwise it fits very well. I have some of the specifics on the differences in these wheels on screen. I am a big fan of the OEM Plus look on these cars like the E55, and here's a few other suggestions for good wheels on the E55 that I like. A set of wheels that look really good on the E55 is the wheels from the R230 SL550 pre-facelift. These wheels are much wider than the stock E55 wheels and have a more aggressive offset, even more so than the SL550 wheels I discussed earlier, and they have a nice 19-inch size. Another great set of 19-inch wheels for the E55 is the wheels from the CLS55. Again, like the SL65 wheels, they are wide with a wide offset. If you want to keep the bodywork on the E55 stock with these SL65 and CLS55 wheels, you will have to maybe reduce the tire size to about 275 in the back just to keep things from touching. That is one of the reasons why I like these SL550 wheels. Because they're kind of in the middle for offset, it means you can have a little bit fatter tires. Finally, another great set of wheels that look great on the E55 are Rentec monolights. I think they give a great OEM sort of look, very high quality wheels. Anyways, that was just a few of my quick thoughts on the wheels for the E55 AMG. I'm really happy with the SL550 setup that I have, and I'm looking forward to making more videos on this E55. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, be sure to hit the like button, and see you in the next video.